How to download video file from Google Drive in 2024. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download video files from Google Drive. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Drive and further, make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and open the file that you want to download. Once you have opened the file that you want to download, go ahead and tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen that is beside the print icon. You will then see the download option there. Tap on that. With this, the downloading process will begin. Wait for the download to complete, and this is how you can download video file from the Google Drive. You can easily access the video that you downloaded from the download tabs in your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.